What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back. So today we got G-Roy here at El Casa, and we got the hippo outside. I've already taken the diff off and the spring bucket delete. I've taken the mock-up motor out, the mid plate, the motor plate, and whatever else that I need off the front end. The only other thing that's left is the front struts and the lower control arm. So what I'm going to do is push that car where this car used to be, then push this car next to this car where that white Integra that's over there used to be, and I'm going to swap the front ends out. I already took the diff out like I said before, and I'm going to put take the wheel out. Well, I'm gonna leave the wheels on there for now. Yeah, I'm gonna swap the front end out and then get it on the trailer. And what I'm gonna do is, I do have G37 rear hubs in that car, so I'm just gonna take the hubs off of it and the rest of the rear suspension stuff off, and just put it to the side. Well, actually no, I'm gonna put the car on the trailer, take the rear suspension shit off on the trailer, and then just drop the car on a frame on the trailer, and then take it to the scrapyard, and then we'll just start working on it from there. Like I said before, this car is complete. I was gonna swap the trunks, but what I think I'm gonna do is get a drag wing built for this car. It should be like $400 or $500 for me to get it built. I was gonna swap tail lights out, but these tail lights are pretty good, and it's pretty much what's gonna wrap up this video. And then I'm gonna show y'all a clip of them running the fork through this back window to get it off the trailer as I drive off. It's gonna be a very sad and emotional day for me, but we are moving on to a complete car that should do me right. So this Virgin chassis, it had an original motor in it before, it wasn't messed with, so everything should go pretty smoothly. I need to find another sport wheel, because I don't know if this wheel is in the back or not. All I know is it came with this donut. I really like a full set of these wheels, because I want to get, are these 18s? Yeah, I want to get some like street radials for it, just to ride around with, so I can be in my sleeper mode and busting people's ass like when I do roll racing and shit like that. And then so I'm back to the dry pack when I go to the track. All right, so got the G35 inside the garage, and opened the trunk to try to find the damn wheel lock key, and I found the other wheel. So we're good on that. Don't need to find another wheel. I gotta take a vacuum to this thing because it is utterly disgusting. Still need to find the wheel key. So I'm gonna be going through this thing for like the next 20 minutes trying to find the wheel key. I just put the G on the trailer because trying to back it up without the spring bucket delete on there, or a spring bucket at all, the wheels like canter in and it's trying to like crab walk, and it makes it difficult to get it in here. So and I'm gonna talk about this in another video, doing the LO swap on it. Don't worry about it right now, don't ask me in the comments. But yeah, got it in here. I'm gonna start taking all the unnecessary ass scrap that I don't need off it, like the sway bar and the power steering junk, because I'm not using power steering, and all the AC stuff. It's still got the other half of the drive shaft in here. One side's right there, and it's got the old exhaust on it too. So I'm gonna be taking that off and putting it on the trailer to go to the scrapyard. Alright guys, got the hippo on the trailer and we are about to head to the scrapyard. I got the hubs out for the G37 axles that I had in there. I got the front suspension off, the rear suspension off. Oh shit, no, I didn't get the rear suspension off. Damn, I was about to leave that motherfucker in there. Hurt. Gotta pull that out real quick. But overall, everything that I need out the car, I just gotta take this 8 with me so I can pull the gas pedal out. And I'm gonna need to leave that shit in there because I ain't gonna need it no more. And that's about it. I don't know if I'm gonna fill it wet or not right now, but yeah, just scrapped the G. Sad that it's gone, but we're on to new beginnings. Somehow the car still weighed 3,300 pounds with all the shit that I just took off of it. I have no idea, but that's what they gave me. I got like $325 for a roller, well, for the shell I should say, because it don't roll right now. What's up?
What you say?
I'm talking to the camera. You talking to the camera?
No.
Alright, but that's probably gonna wrap up this video. I am on the way right now to, well, I'm leaving the scrapyard and I'm going to pick up a 6.0 and then headed back to the house. 6.0 for a customer, not for me, but yeah, new car is getting a 6.0 and it's probably gonna peel a muffin cap back blue. But that'll be it for this video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys are excited for the new build as I am. And I will see you guys in the next upload.